Top 4 Tech Gadgets to get your hands on now. Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Trailblazers. Today, I'm going to show you some of the coolest smart home gadgets that can make your life easier. Trust me, these devices will change the way you live, making your daily routines a lot more convenient. First up, we have the Switchbot Hub Mini, my personal favorite under $50 smart home device. This tiny remote controller can make any IR device in your home smart. It only takes 5 seconds to learn and mimic signals from your existing remote control, thanks to its smart learning mode. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your TV, air conditioner, fan, speaker, garage door and more with your smartphone. Imagine having all your remote controls consolidated into one app. That's the magic of the Switchbot Hub Mini. Next, we have the Google Nest Hub, New Gen. If you're looking for an all-in-one smart home assistant, look no further. With its AI voice assistant, you can stream YouTube videos, listen to Spotify, hear the news, and control your smart lights. One of the standout features is sleep sensing, which helps you get a better night's sleep. The gesture control is also a fun addition, where you can tap the air in front of the device to play/pause media, snooze alarms, and more. And let me tell you, the audio quality is top-notch, with 50% more bass than the first generation. For a unique and stylish touch to your bathroom, check out the Capstone touchscreen smart mirror. This Android-powered smart mirror has a touch display and built-in speakers, making it the perfect addition to your daily routine. You can install any Android app, watch YouTube videos or movies, check your health stats, and play music or podcasts while you shower. The mirror also supports smartphone screen mirroring, Bluetooth connection to external speakers, and even comes with a power bank for portable use. With its sleek and minimalist design, the Capstone touchscreen smart mirror is available in 2 versions, standard and wardrobe. Last but not least, we have the Rachio Smart 8-Zone Sprinkler Controller. If you're a conservative water user or want a hassle-free watering system, this is the gadget for you. The Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller automatically adjusts your watering schedule based on the weather, so you never have to worry about overwatering or wasting water again. It also offers flexible scheduling, allowing you to set different schedules for different zones. The best part? You can control it from anywhere with your smartphone. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these cool and innovative smart home gadgets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.